Welcome to the Thrusty Mind. Please like and subscribe our channel where we bring you the series of current affairs. Here are the latest current affairs. India becomes the fourth nation to shoot down fixed-wing drone by laser beam. The Center for High Energy Systems and Sciences, CHESS, Hyderabad, conducted a successful field demonstration of the land version of vehicle-mounted laser-directed weapon DEW Mk2A at Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh on April 13, 2025. For the first time, India demonstrated its capability to shoot down fixed-wing aircraft, missiles, and swarm drones using a 30 kW laser-based weapon system. With this, India has become the fourth country in the world, after USA, China, and Russia, to demonstrate such capability. The platform was created by DRDO's CHESS in collaboration with DRDO labs including LRDE, IRDE, DLRL, Indian academic institutions, and private industry partners. Thanks for watching the videos. For more videos, please stay tuned and I will see you again.